In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify, how to add images to product variants. Let's start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, head to Home, then open the Products section. Choose the product you want to edit. Think of something like a long-sleeve shirt that comes in different sizes. Opening the product brings you to its Details page, where we'll set up the options and then attach images to each variant. If your product doesn't have options yet, look for the prompt that says, Add options like size or color, and click it. For the option name, select or type size. Now add your size values. Click to add S, then M, then L, and finally, XL. You should see each one appear as its own value. If you see a link for Rich Text Editor on this page, go ahead and click it to keep the description area in the standard editing mode. It won't affect your variants, it just makes the page easier to work with. When your sizes are listed, click Done to create the variants. Next, we'll attach images to each size. Scroll to the Variants section. Click the first variant to open its details. You'll see an image area. If no image is linked yet, it may show a message like Image is not applied. Click there to open the image picker. Choose the photo that matches this size. Ideally, a clear, consistent image that represents the variant, and then click Done to confirm. Repeat the same process for the remaining sizes. Select the next variant, open the image area, pick its matching image, and click Done. Continue until S, M, L, and XL each have the correct image assigned. As you go, you should see a thumbnail appear for each variant, replacing any Not Applied message. When all images are assigned, click Save in the top right corner. Give Shopify a moment to process those updates. Here are a few quick tips to help you get great results. Use images with consistent lighting and background, so switching between variants looks smooth. If multiple sizes share the same photo, it's fine to reuse it. Just make sure each variant still has an image assigned so the product page updates correctly. After saving, click Preview on the product and switch between sizes to confirm the main image changes as expected. If it doesn't, return to the variant, make sure an image is selected, click Done, and save again. That's it. Your product variants now display the right images, creating a clearer, more trustworthy shopping experience.